Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. In this video, I'd like to show you the world of Soakaway Design or Soakaway Designs. So here we've got a typical concrete septic tank. Let me just turn that off, there we go. And this is typically one of the first soakaways to come on the scene in the United Kingdom. It's a soakaway pit, and basically a soakaway pit, as you can see, is just a pit that's dug into the ground. Alright, and basically the pit here just fills with water like so, and then over time that water just soaks away back into the soil. Some people still use soakaway pits. They're very, very good in certain circumstances. They're not always suitable for every type of ground condition or septic tank, but nevertheless, the soakaway pit is a tried and tested form of soakaway for septic tanks, and it's one of the most popular. Okay, so moving on to another form of soakaway. Here we've got probably one of the most popular soakaway designs in the world, never mind in the United Kingdom. It's called the Herringbone soakaway system, and it's called the Herringbone system because, as you can see, it's shaped like a fishbone, particularly with its kind of like V-shape kind of structure. You kind of see the V-shaped branches that go down the spine, and there's lots of advantages and disadvantages with this kind of soakaway. So typically the water will leave the septic tank, make its way into this drainage field area, and typically herringbone soakaways are installed where the ground conditions are poor. So generally speaking, if the ground conditions are poor, then you need a larger area. The soakaway has to cover a larger area to get rid of the water, to disperse it. And the beauty about the herringbone system is that if one of these branches does become blocked, then in this instance, what is there? 3, 6, 7, there's about 15 branches here, including the spine. So if 1 or 2 or 3 of them become blocked, you've still got, like, 10, 11, 12 branches left, which will allow the water to still soak away. And as you can see here, typically the herringbone soakaway is made from perforated pipe. So there's perforations along each of these lengths, millions and millions of holes. So as the water travels down, it actually seeps out along the path of the soakaway pipe. So those are the pros. The cons, well, you've got to use loads and loads of shingle. They're quite expensive to make. The pipes can be quite expensive. Lots of people use orange pipes with slits on the underbelly of them, and you've got to put the herringbone pipes on top of a bed of shingle. So you can use tons and tons of shingle. You've got to put a shingle bed underneath the pipes. You place the pipes on top. You've then got to put more shingle on top of the pipes, and then you have to put a membrane on top of the shingle. So that is, as I said, a very popular soakaway in the United Kingdom. But they were very popular, these soakaways, from the 1960s, 1970s. No, actually not the 1960s. Very popular from the, I would say, 1970s, 1980s, 1990s. Many people still use them as a traditional form of soakaway, but they have been replaced by something else called septic tank soakaway crates. So let me show you about septic tank soakaway crates. So if I put if we put the crates in here, where's the crates? There we go. So that's typically what septic tank crates look like. Now some people get them confused with rainwater crates. You're not allowed to use rainwater crates for a soakaway, but you can use septic tank soakaway crates. As you can see, the hole is a lot smaller compared to the traditional herringbone system. The soakaway crates only take an hour to install. They're very easy, they just clip together. You don't need any shingle with them. And the soakaway crates typically have a load bearing weight of about 20 tons, and they're very, very good. And this is the future. This is the modern kind of equivalent to the traditional herringbone soakaway. So when you put the crates in, you cover them with membrane and job done. That's basically it. So they're the most popular type of soakaways on the market today. And then you've got here, I don't know, oh yeah, okay, just wondered what that trench was there, but it's only for a design. So the next method, which is very easy as well, is called easy drain. So here's your septic tank. Then on the outlet of the on the outlet of the septic tank, you put the inspection chamber. And on the inspection chamber, you've got 3 outlets. And into those outlets, you put easy drain. Let me show you that. And easy drain is basically a form of soakaway. So let me see if we can find it here. There we go. There we go. And that is easy drain soakaway pipes. Each pipe is about 3 meters in length. And they're fantastic, really. They come, they're perforated pipe, and they come with membrane wrapped around them, and they literally just slot into the inspection chamber there. You just literally dig a trench and lay the easy drain in the trenches that you've dug, and they just slot together. So let's put the next one in there. There you go. You see how the fingers just slotted together there. So they've got female and male connectors on that just slot together there. And that's the easy drain. So there you go. They're the 5, is that 5? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. They're the 4 different types of soakaway that have been used in the United Kingdom. The easy drain soakaway and the soakaway crates are the most popular septic tank soakaways at the moment, because as I said, they just utilize science and technology. They're very easy to install, and that's why they're so popular. To see all these septic tanks that I've shown you, all you need to do is go to septictank.co.uk. You'll find a lot of free information on my website. For example, I've got Septic Tank TV, which is my own TV channel, and you'll find loads of free helpful videos on there. And if you're looking for septic tanks and soakaways, here we've got a septic tank and soakaway kit. Just going to click that there, and on here you'll find complete kits, septic tank and soakaway kits. So whereas before a septic tank and soakaway would cost you 6, 7, 8,000 quid to buy and install, now you can literally just pick them up for £1,499. That's how much science and technology have moved on. They've not only made them easier to install, but they've also made them a lot cheaper to buy. So for example, on my septic tank and soakaway kits, you get a complete kit. You get all the pipe work free, you get the inspection chamber free, you get the low profile, no concreting, shallow dig septic tank, and you also get the septic tank crates in this instance with free membrane. So the point is, if you're looking for more information on septic tanks and soakaways, then you'll find it on septictank.co.uk.